To add a shape to your page in EverWeb, just click on the Shapes button in the toolbar, then select the shape that you want. If you add a shape to a center-aligned page layout, the shape is placed as is onto the page. To move a shape around the page, just drag and drop it to its new location. If you add a shape to a responsive page layout, by default, it will be placed as a full-width object onto the page. If you want to add a shape as a fixed-width object on a responsive page, first add a responsive row widget to the page. Then with the widget still selected, add the shape to the page. It will appear as a fixed-width object within the responsive row. When using a center-aligned page layout, or if the shape is embedded in a responsive row widget, you can change the size of the shape by using the grab handles at the corners of the shape. You can also stretch a shape by using the grab handles between the corner points. If the shape is a full-width object in a responsive page layout, you can only adjust the height of the object by using the center grab handles at the top and bottom of the shape. Some shapes, such as the star shape, have an additional dark blue dot, which lets you adjust that particular shape in specific ways. Some shapes can also have their properties adjusted via the settings cog in the inspector window. Any shape can have text on top of it. Simply double-click on the shape and begin typing. To modify a shape, first make sure it is selected. Then go to the Shape Options tab in the Inspector window. If you want to change the type of shape, click in the drop-down menu and select the shape type that you want. A shape has three different states. The normal state is how the shape looks unless the mouse cursor is over it, or if the shape has been clicked upon. The mouse over state is how the shape looks when the mouse cursor is hovering over it, and the mouse down state is how the shape looks when the shape has been clicked upon. For each state you can choose how the shape looks. There are 6 options to choose from for the normal state, and 5 for the mouse over and mouse down states, as these options do not use the Fill Slideshow feature. The None option will make the shape transparent. The Color Fill option gives the shape the color of your choosing. Use the color swatch or color wheel to select the color you want. The Gradient Fill option fills the shape with a blend of 2 colors that transitions smoothly from one to the other. The colors can be flipped and adjusted horizontally, vertically, or to any other angle using the available controls. The Advanced Gradient Fill option is similar to Gradient Fill, but includes some advanced features, and you can also use more than 2 colors. The last option that's common to all 3 shape states is Image Fill. There are 5 image sizing options to choose from, as well as the ability to add an overlay color and parallax scrolling. For more information on these options, please check out our video on parallax scrolling. The last option, Slideshow, is only available using the normal state. For more information, check out our video on Fill Slideshow. Shapes can also have a line stroke surrounding them. Simply select Line from the Stroke drop-down menu. The line can either be solid, dashed, or dotted. After selecting your line type, set the color that you want and its thickness. A shape can also be placed into a picture frame with 20 frame types available. Just click on the picture frame thumbnail to choose the frame that you want. Use the scale slider to modify the frame's thickness. You can also add a shadow and a reflection to a shape. Furthermore, you can adjust the transparency of a shape using the opacity option. And for something fun and exciting, why not add an animation to your shape?